Ready to time travel through the wild history of malware? Buckle up. 3 minutes, no fluff. I'm spinning the clock back to the 1980s. Malware wasn't about money yet, it was curiosity and clout. Think Brain in 1986, the first PC boot sector virus, hitching rides on floppy disks like a digital stowaway. Slow spread, big headlines, little damage, mostly pranks and proof of concepts. Jump to the 1990s, email explodes and so do macro viruses. Melissa, concept, open one, and boom, your contacts get spammed. Social engineering becomes the secret sauce. Humans, not firewalls, are the target. Early 2000s, worms go turbo. I love you, code red, slammer, self-replicating missiles tearing across the internet in minutes. Then botnets show up. Millions of hijacked PCs obeying one command, launching DDoS attacks like digital stampedes. Malware shifts from bragging rights to business models. 2010s, it's pro-money. Ransomware turns files into hostages. Crypto locker, wanna cry. Pay up or lose everything. Stuxnet raises the stakes. Malware that sabotages physical machines. We also see ad fraud. Crypto jacking. Spyware putting your privacy on the menu. Right now, the present. Malware is modular, rentable, and fast. Info stealers vacuuming passwords. Loaders that install the installer. Supply chain hits that ride in through trusted updates. Phishing is cinematic, perfect logos, flawless grammar. Fake login pages, even real-time man-in-the-middle. Mobile, absolutely targeted. Your phone is a wallet, a key, and a diary. Prime real estate. Now the future, AI-driven chaos and AI-driven defense. Picture polymorphic malware that mutates on the fly, rewriting itself to dodge signatures. AI can scrape your digital footprint to craft spear phishing so convincing it knows your time zone, your boss's tone, even your internal acronyms. Deepfake voices call your finance team with urgent wire instructions. Autonomy kicks in, malware that scouts.